If you have followed the latest skincare trends, then you must be familiar with the word peptide in cosmetics, such as peptides, oligopeptides, peptides, and so on. It seems that high-end cosmetics, or newly established well-known brands, are very fond of adding peptides as their main ingredient. So, what effects can peptides added to skincare products have on the skin? In this video, let's talk about the application of peptides in cosmetics. Cosmetic peptides have a clear mechanism and are characterized by high activity and safety. At present, it has been widely used in anti-aging, antioxidant, wrinkle removal, whitening, anti-allergy soothing, repair, hair growth, and other fields, and is recognized by consumers. From the perspective of mechanism of action, cosmetic peptides can be roughly divided into three categories: carrier peptides, neurotransmitter inhibitory peptides, and signal peptides. Carrier peptides can help stabilize the transport of trace elements into enzymatic reactions, promote the synthesis of collagen and elastin, play an important role in new blood vessel growth and wound healing, and are also a good helper for anti-aging in the human body. The common carrier peptide is blue copper peptide. Neurotransmitter inhibitory peptides can soften wrinkles caused by muscle movement, relax facial muscles, and smooth facial expression lines. Therefore, these peptides are particularly suitable for addition to skincare products used for facial care. Common inhibitory peptides include acetyl hexapeptide 3, acetyl octapeptide 1, dipeptide snake venom, and pentapeptide E3. Signal peptides are a specific signal for the internal system, which can awaken cells to synthesize more collagen, increase skin firmness, and thus produce anti-aging effects. Common signal peptides include palmitoyl pentapeptide 3, palmitoyl tripeptide 1, palmitoyl hexapeptide, and palmitoyl tripeptide -5. It can be said that peptides have significant advantages as an additive in skincare products. In the catalog of used cosmetic ingredients, released in 2021, there are 78 types of peptides, while in the International Cosmetic Ingredient Dictionary and Handbook, 16th edition, International Cosmetic Ingredients Standard Catalog, there are 1219 that involve peptide ingredients. Peptide ingredients are more widely used abroad. At present, Chungyao Bio can provide various cosmetic peptide raw materials such as glutathione, oligopeptides, palmitoyl tripeptides, acetyldeicapeptides, blue copper peptides, acetyl tetrapeptides, etc. If you are interested or have any needs, please feel free to contact us at any time.